Good morning to everyone. We were discussed voices, active voice and passive voice for present tense in the yesterday class. Now today we are going to discuss about voices for past tense. For past tense, how active voice sentences of past tense will convert into passive voice, positive passive voice sentence of past tense. Before going that this topic, just a small discussion is there about the present tense as well as also it will help to past tense also. So one paragraph is there. First of all, I will read that paragraph. One report is there. One newspaper report is there. First of all, I will read that newspaper report. You will be careful. You will be careful. You will be careful. You will be listen carefully, and after that identify the words. The words belongs to passive voice. Identify the passive voice verbs in that particular news report. Okay, I'm start to reading now. Listen carefully. Okay, so it is a big one, so that's why I'm taking some help. So read the newspaper report. Pick out the sentences with verb forms in passive voice. Write them in the space provided and underline the verb forms. The first one has been done for you. Means I have done one for you, for your convenience. Read the newspaper report. Pick out the sentences with verb forms in passive voice. Write them in the space provided and underline the verb forms. The first one has been done for you. The first one has been done for you. Newspaper report. Newspaper report. This report is about the sewerage lines. The Hyderabad Metropolitan Water Supply and Sewerage Board, in short form HMWSSB, the Hyderabad Metropolitan Water Supply and Sewerage Board and Telangana Pollution Control Board have decided to collaborate and study the nalas, also known as storm water drains, that pollute the Hussain Sagar. Senior officials from the two departments have visited the lake to study the nalas that pollute the lake. Once again, I am repeating this paragraph. The Hyderabad Metropolitan Water Supply and Sewerage Board and the Telangana Pollution Control Board have decided to collaborate and study the nalas, also known as stormwater drains that pollute the Hussain Sagar. Senior officials from the two departments have visited the lake to study the nalas that pollute the lake. Okay. Second paragraph. According to the water board officials, attempts will be made to see how sewerage entering the 400 years old water body can be diverted and the lake prevented from the deteriorating further. Okay. Once again I am repeating. According to the water board officials, attempts will be made to see how sewerage entering the 400 years old water body can be diverted and the lake prevented from deteriorating further. We need to study all the four stormwater drains from which sewerage enters the Hussain Sagar. It is being done. It is being done as per the orders of Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao, who has asked us to see that the lake is not polluted anymore. This was just a preliminary visit, a senior water board official said. The nalas that currently let effluents into the Hussain Sagar lake are the Kukatpalli Nala, Balakpur Nala, Banjara Nala, and Piket Nala. Among them, a 30 million liters per day (MLD) sewerage treatment plant has been installed at the Balakpur Nala and 20 ml STP installed for treating waste coming from the Kukatpalli and Piket Nalas. Officials said, after identifying all techniques, a ring main can be installed. Near the lake from the where sewerage entered the body. The construction of a ring mains or sewer lines in the Piket Nala has to be taken up. The idea is to divert sewerage from entering the water body. We plan to work closely with the Hyderabad Metropolitan Development Authority to chalk out a solution, officials said. The Hyderabad Metropolitan Water Supply and Sewerage Board officials said that the Chief Minister has asked them to come up with a proposal to lay the required sewerage lines in all circles of Hyderabad and surrounding areas. The move comes after some of the ministers visited the ongoing projects of the water board and held a review meeting as well. So this is the one news report. It came in newspaper. So as per our exercise, we pick out the verbs in passive voice. Pick out the sentences with the verbs form in passive voice. So the first one has been done for you means, for example, the sewerage plant has been installed at the Balakpur Nala. Sewerage plant has been installed. So we will find out. Where is the sentences with passive voice, with verb forms in passive voice. Come to the first paragraph. First line. The Hyderabad Metropolitan Water Board, Water Supply and Sewerage Board and Telangana Pollution Control Board have decided to collaborate and study the nalas, also known as stormwater drains, that pollutes the Hussain Sagar. Entire in this sentence, only one verb is there, that is decided. But before the decided, have decided is there. Come to our positive structure. No structure is there with have plus verb 3 form. Have plus verb 3 form means it is just completed actions. It comes under present perfect tense. It comes under active voice only, not passive voice. Senior officials from the two departments have visited the lake to study the nalas that pollute the lake. The same senior officials from the two departments have visited verb plus V3 form. Have visited the lake to study the nalas that pollute the lake. Okay, no sentence in the first paragraph with verb forms of positive passive voice. Come to second paragraph. According to the water board officials, attempts will be made to see how sewerage entering the 400 years old water body can be diverted and the lake prevented from deteriorating further. Come to the first line. Attempts will be made. Will be made. It is future, simple future passive voice. Will be plus made, verb 3 form. It is simple future passive voice sentence, will be made. Come again. In second line, entering the 400 years old water body can be diverted. This is also simple future. Can be diverted. Can be. Can be. Can be. Simple future. Can be diverted. Will be made. Can be diverted. Two sentences. We need to study all the 4 stormwater drains from which sewerage enters the Hussain Sagar. It is being done as per the orders of Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao. It is being done. It is being done. It is being plus done. Is being means present continuous passive voice. For e-sheet, is being present continuous. Is being done, verb in 3 form. Is being done of Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao, who has asked us to see that the lake is not polluted anymore. This was just a preliminary visit, a senior water board official said. The nalas that currently let effluent into the Hussain Sagar lake are the Kukatpalli Nala, Balakpur Nala, Banjara Nala and Piket Nala. Among them, a 30 million liters per day sewerage treatment plant has been installed. Already this verb has done for you. Installed at Balakpur Nala and 220 million liters per day. STP, that means sewage treatment plant, installed for treating a waste coming from the Kukatpalli and Piket Nalas. Officials said that after identifying all the technicalities, a ring main can be installed. Here also can be installed. That is, will be made, can be diverted, can be installed near the lake from where sewerage enter the water body. The construction of ring mains or sewer lines in the Piket Nala has to be taken up. Has to be taken up. Has taken to be taken up. The idea is to divert sewerage from entering the water body. We plan to work closely with the Hyderabad Metropolitan Development Authority to chalk out a solution, officials said. Hyderabad Metropolitan Water Supply and Sewerage Board has asked them to come up with a proposal to lay required sewerage lines in all circles of Hyderabad and surrounding areas. The move comes after some of the ministers visited the ongoing projects of the water board and held a review meeting as well. So this is the one exercise we have completed. Can be diverted, is being, can be installed, will be made. So like that, so many examples we have. Come to that. Some of the examples we did not discuss yesterday. So recollecting voices of present tense also. Come to one example, we will recollect the examples also. Okay, see. First example is that Virat Kohli attacks the bowlers. Virat Kohli attacks the bowlers. See, this is simple present. Okay, simple present. Now we discuss simple present active voice. So subject is there, verb plus s is there, object is there. What is the structure for the simple present passive voice? Subject place am place, verb 3 place object, subject place are place, verb 3 place object, subject place is place, verb 3 plus object. It means subject place am or is or verb 3 object. So here Virat Kohli attacks the bowlers. Bowlers is the object in the active voice. It became the subject in the passive voice. So the bowlers comes under they. They means the helping verb or be form is are. They are always are verb 3 form in the passive voice. They are attacked. The bowlers are attacked by Virat Kohli. Simple present tense. Come to present continuous. Virat Kohli is attacking the bowlers. The bowlers are being attacked by the Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli has attacked the bowlers. Present perfect. The bowlers have been attacked by the Virat Kohli. They motivated us. Simple present tense. They motivated us. They motivate us. I am motivated by them. They are motivating us. I am being motivated by them. They have motivated us. I have been motivated by them. Am being, have been. For first one, is being, has been. You explain them. They are explained by you. You are explaining them. They are being explained by you. You have explained them. They have been explained by you. Are being, have been. They record good songs. Good songs are recorded by them. They is recording good songs. Good songs is being recorded by them. They are recording good songs. The good songs are being recorded by them. They have recorded good songs. Good songs have been recorded by them. So these are the simple present tense verbs in passive voice. Okay, examples. Here also one more two examples also is there. Just we will discuss within 2 minutes. He maintains discipline. Simple present tense. Discipline is maintained by him. He is maintaining discipline. Discipline is being maintained by him. He has maintained discipline. Present perfect. Discipline has been maintained by him. Is being, has been. Next, sixth one. I do the work. Simple present tense. The work is done by me. The work is done by me. I am doing that work. The work is being done by me. I am doing that work. Present continuous. The work is being done by me. I have done the work. Present perfect. The work has been done by me. The work has been done by me. Present perfect. So, like that we discuss. Now we will be perfect in present perfect. Sorry, present tense. Come to past tense. In the past tense also, we are going to learn only 3 tenses in the past tense out of 4 tenses. They are simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect. Okay, no past perfect continuous tense is there in passive voice. Come to simple past structure. Come to simple past structure. For I, he, she, it. I, he, she, it. Active voice structure. Active voice structure. Subject place, V2 place, object. I supported that party. You supported that party. He supported that party. Actually, all the persons means for the first person that is I, second person you, we, they, and third person he, she, it. It is a common structure for all, for active voice. But come to passive voice, there are two structures are there. For first person and third person, one structure is there. Second person, one structure is there. That's why I am also divided into two structures in active voice in simple past tense. Okay. For I, she, it, active voice structure, subject plus verb to plus object, subject plus V2 plus object. Come to passive voice, subject plus was plus verb 3 plus object, subject plus was plus V3 plus object. For you, we, they, so active voice structure is the same as I, ye, she, it. Passive voice, subject plus verb plus V3 plus object, subject plus verb plus V3 plus object. Come to example, then we will get very easily about this one. So first of all, I with I supported that party. This is a simple past tense active voice structure. The first person. So convert into passive voice. Already you know the rules. The object of active voice become the subject of passive voice. Object of active voice become the subject of passive voice. So the party is the object of active voice. It is the subject of passive voice. That is that party. That party comes under it. That party comes under it means third person. What is the third person structure? It plus was plus V3 plus subject object. So that party was supported by me. You supported that party. You supported that party. That party was supported by me. We supported that party. That party was supported by us. They supported that party. That party was supported. That party was supported by them. He supported that party. He supported that party. That party was supported by him. She supported that party. She supported that party. That party was supported by. That party was supported by her. Okay, like that, one more example we have. We supported them. We supported them. They were supported by us. They were supported by us. We supported them. They were supported by us. You supported them. You supported them. They were supported by you. They were supported by you. He supported you. He supported you. You were supported by him. You were supported by him. I supported you. I supported you. You were supported by me. You were supported by me. So was, were. Was, were. Come to past continuous. Come to past continuous. Here also same. We have two structures. For first person and third person, that is I, he, she, it. I, he, she, it. I, he, she, it. Sorry. For past continuous, for I, he, she, it, active subject plus was plus verb ing form plus object. Subject plus was plus verb ing form plus object. Passive voice, subject plus was being plus verb 3 form plus object. Subject plus was plus verb being form plus object. Passive voice, subject plus was being plus verb 3 form plus object. For For you, we, they. Activize. Subject place, verb place, ing form plus object. Passivize. Subject place, verb being place, V3 plus object. Okay, this is the structure. Now we're going to discuss some examples on this structure. For I, he, she, it. First structure. I was supporting that party. I, helping verb, was is there, verb being form is there, object is there. So definitely it comes under past continuous. I was supporting that party. నేను గతంలో ఆ పార్టీకి మద్దతు ఇస్తూ ఉన్నాను. I was supporting that party. That party was being supported by me. Here, what is the structure for the past continuous in passivize? Verb form of passivize is a was plus was being plus verb 3 form. Was being plus verb 3 form. Verb is always 3 form. But what is the B form for past continuous verb form in passivize? Was being. He was supporting that party. అతడు ఆ పార్టీకి మద్దతు ఇస్తూ ఉన్నాడు. That party was being supported by him. ఆ పార్టీ అతని చేత మద్దతు ఇవ్వబడుతూ ఉంది. గతంలో మద్దతు ఇవ్వబడుతూ ఉంది. She was supporting that party. ఆమె ఆ పార్టీకి మద్దతు ఇస్తూ ఉంది. గతంలో ఆ పార్టీకి ఆమె మద్దతు ఇస్తూ ఉంది. అప్పుడు ఆమె ఇస్తూ ఉంది. That party was being supported by her. Come to verb structure. We were supporting them. మేము వారికి అప్పుడు మద్దతు ఇస్తూ ఉన్నాము. They were being supported by us. వారు మా చేత గతంలో మద్దతు ఇవ్వబడుతూ ఉన్నారు. We were supporting them. మేము వారికి మద్దతు ఇస్తూ ఉన్నాము. They were being supported by us. వారు మా చేత గతంలో మద్దతు ఇవ్వబడుతూ ఉన్నారు. ఓకే, యు వర్ సపోర్టింగ్ దెమ్. నువ్వు వారికి మద్దతు ఇస్తూ ఉన్నావు. గతంలో నువ్వు వారికి మద్దతు ఇస్తూ ఉన్నావు. దే వర్ బీయింగ్ సపోర్టెడ్ బై యూ. వారు నీ చేత గతంలో మద్దతు ఇవ్వబడుతూ ఉన్నారు. దే వర్ బీయింగ్. వర్ బీయింగ్ ఈజ్ ద బీ ఫామ్. You were supporting him. You were supporting him. He was being supported by you. Change. This here was being. We were supporting them. But here, come to here, we were supporting them. He was supporting them. They were being supported by him. He was supporting them. They were being supported by him. So was being, were being. So like that, be careful while converting the activize into passivize. So come to past perfect. For I, you, we, they, he, she, it. For I, you, we, they, he, she, it. So we have only one structure for all persons. Activize. Subject place, had place, verb 3 plus object. Subject place, had place, verb 3 plus object for activize. Passivize. Subject place, had been place, verb 3 object. Subject place, had been plus verb 3 object. Come to example. I had supported that party. That party had been supported by me. Here see, I had supported that party. గతంలో నేను ఆ పార్టీకి మద్దతు ఇచ్చి ఉన్నాను. It is active voice. Come to the passive voice. The party had been supported by me. ఆ పార్టీ మా చేత గతంలో మద్దతు ఇవ్వబడి ఉంది. I had supported that party. That party had been supported by me. You had supported that party. నువ్వు గతంలో ఆ పార్టీకి మద్దతు ఇచ్చి ఉన్నావు. The party had been supported by you. The party had been supported by you. ఆ పార్టీకి నువ్వు గతంలో మద్దతు ఇవ్వబడి ఉన్నావు. We had supported that party. That party had been supported by us. Had been supported by us. We had supported that party. మేము ఆ పార్టీకి గతంలో మద్దతు ఇచ్చి ఉన్నాము. The party had been supported by us. ఆ పార్టీ గతంలో మా చేత మద్దతు ఇవ్వబడి ఉంది. They had supported that party. వారు గతంలో ఆ పార్టీకి మద్దతు ఇచ్చి ఉన్నారు. That party had been supported by them. ఆ పార్టీ గతంలో వారి చేత మద్దతు ఇవ్వబడి ఉంది. He had supported that party. That party had been supported by him. He had supported that party. That party had been supported by him. అతడు గతంలో ఆ పార్టీకి మద్దతు ఇచ్చి ఉన్నాడు. ఆ పార్టీ గతంలో అతని చేత మద్దతు ఇవ్వబడి ఉంది. She had supported that party. ఆమె ఆ పార్టీకి గతంలో మద్దతు ఇచ్చి ఉంది. That party had been supported by her. ఆ పార్టీ గతంలో ఆమె చేత మద్దతు ఇవ్వబడి ఉంది. We had supported them. We have supported them. మేము వారికి మద్దతు ఇచ్చి ఉన్నాము. They had been supported by us. వారు మా చేత మద్దతు ఇవ్వబడి ఉన్నారు. So this is the example for past perfect. Once again I am repeating from simple past tense. So for simple past tense, for I, he, she, it, active voice is subject plus verb to form plus object. Actually it is a common structure for all the persons, but whereas come to passive voice there are two structures are there, so that's why I am also divided. For I, he, she, it, active voice structure, subject plus verb to plus object. Passive voice subject plus was plus verb 3 form plus object. Come to for you, we, they, active voice subject plus verb 2 form plus object. Passive voice subject plus verb plus v3 object, verb 3 form object. So here two structures are there for passive voice: subject plus was or were plus v3 object. Subject plus was or were plus v3 plus object. For simple past tense, verbs forms in passive voice. Come to past continuous. Same like simple past tense, past continuous. For I, he, she, it. For I, he, she, it, active voice structure, subject plus was plus verb in ing form plus object. Passive voice structure, subject plus was being plus verb 3 form plus object. Subject plus was plus verb being form plus object. Passive voice subject plus was being plus verb 3 form plus object. past continuous. So for you, we, they, activize. For you, we, they, activize. Subject plus verb ing form plus object. Subject plus verb ing form plus object. Passivize. Subject plus verb being plus verb third form plus object. Subject plus verb being plus verb three form plus object. So finally, verb form of passivize for past continuous. Subject plus was or were plus being plus verb 3 plus object. Subject plus was or were plus being plus verb 3 form means past participle plus object. Come to past perfect. First come to for past perfect. For I, you, we, they, ye, she, it. For I, you, we, they, ye, she, it. Activize. Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Come to passivize. Subject plus had been plus V3 plus object. Subject plus had been plus V3 plus object. So this is the structure for the changing the structures for converting from activize into passivize of past tense for 3 sentences. So simply we can recite these verb structures easily. So like yesterday class as like a present tense. So first of all, left side you will write sentences one by one. Simple past tense, below that past continuous, below that past perfect. First simple past tense, second one is past continuous, third one is past perfect. Come to write down, draw a line vertically below the, above the past tense, just write I, he, she, it and draw one vertical line. After vertical line, again write you, we, they. Okay, now write down for I, he, she, it, straight to the past continuous was. Below was, straight to, simple past, straight to simple past is was. Below simple past, past continuous is there. Write down straight after vertical line, below I, she, it, was being. Below was being, write down straight to past perfect had been. Again come to here, the second, after second vertical line, below we, you, they, write down straight to simple past were. Below were, straight to past continuous were being. Below were being, straight to past perfect had been. So once again I am repeating for 3 sentences continuously. For he, she, it, was being, had been. For you, we, they, were being, had been. Was being, had been. Were being, had been. Like that yesterday present tense, am being, have been, are being, have been, is being, has been. Come to here, only 2 structures are there. Was being, had been, were being, had been. So like that, so we will discuss so many examples also. Come to examples, come to your examples also. Some examples are there. Virat Kohli attacked the bowlers. It comes under simple past tense. Now we are going to convert the simple past tense activize into simple past tense passivize. The bowlers is a plural and the comes under they, or you, or we or they. So means they were is the B form. Next V3, the bowlers were attacked by Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli was attacking the bowlers. The bowlers were being attacked by the Virat Kohli. The Virat Kohli had attacked the bowlers. The bowlers had been attacked the Virat Kohli, attacked by the Virat Kohli. So first is simple present, past tense. Second one is past continuous. Third one is past perfect. This is simple past tense. Virat Kohli attacked the bowlers. Simple past tense, active voice. Come to passive voice. The bowlers were attacked by Virat Kohli. The bowlers were attacked by Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli was attacking the bowlers. This is past continuous. This is past continuous. This is past continuous. The bowlers were being attacked by Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli had attacked the bowler. Past perfect. The bowlers had been attacked by Virat Kohli. Second example, they motivated us. This is in simple present and simple past tense. Simple past tense. They motivated us. Us become we. Okay. Subject become object. Object become subject. At the same time, that verb pronunciation also will be changed. I become me. Me become I. Like that, we become us. Us become we. So they motivated us. They motivated us. We were motivated by them. This is simple past tense. They motivated us. We were motivated by them. They were motivated us. They were motivated us. This is past continuous. They were being motivated by them. We were being motivated by them. So they were motivated us. We were being motivated by them. This is past continuous. Okay. They had motivated us. We had been motivated by them. This is past perfect. They had motivated us. They had motivated us. We had been motivated by them. This is past perfect. You explained them. Simple past tense. They were explained by you. You explained them. They were explained by you. You were explained them. You were explained them. They were being explained by you. You had explained them. They had been explained by you. They had been explained by you. They recorded good songs. They recorded good songs. Good songs were recorded by them. The simple past tense. They were recorded good songs. Good songs were being recorded by them. Past continuous. They had recorded good songs. Good songs had been recorded by them. Past perfect. Okay. Like that we have only 3 or 4 more examples are there. We will continue that one also. He maintained discipline. He maintained discipline. Discipline was maintained by him. Simple past tense. He was maintained discipline. Discipline was being maintained by him. Past continuous. He had maintained discipline. Past perfect. Discipline had been maintained by him. Past perfect. I did the work. I did the work. Simple past tense. The work was done by me. The work was done by me. I was doing the work. I was doing the work. The work was done. The work was being done by me. Past continuous. The work was being done by me. Past continuous. I had done the work. Past perfect. I had done the work. Past perfect. The work had been done by me. My friend wrote good articles. Simple past tense. Good articles were written by my friend. Simple past tense. Passive voice. My friend was writing good articles. Good articles was being written by my friend. Past continuous. My friend had written good articles. Good articles had been written by my friend. Past perfect. We follow traffic rules. Traffic rules were followed by us. Simple past tense. We were following traffic rules. The traffic rules were being followed by us. We had followed traffic rules. The traffic rules had been followed by us. She developed that project. That project was developed by her. Simple past tense. She was developing the project. Past continuous. The project was being developed by her. Past continuous. She had developed that project. That project had been developed by her. Past perfect. So this is very easy. First of all, you have to buy out the structure. Once again, I am repeating the structure. Was being, had been, were being, had been. Was being, had been, were being, had been. So then always verb 3 form. You will apply this structure to all the sentences. Then you will be perfect. Thank you. One and all.